Hello students, now I'll be starting with question number 1 of exercise 4.2. Now question number 1 says classify the following curves as open and closed. Now first you have to understand what you mean by curves. Curve can be defined as the continuous movement of points in any and every direction. Like here, I have started drawing this figure and without lifting my pen continuously I am drawing this figure and here I have stopped. So this is a curve. Now if I draw a figure like this and without lifting my pen, if we continuously draw like this and it is connected to each other, then it is a curve. Now what do you mean by open curve and closed curve? Open means like here, if I start drawing a figure like this and here I have stopped. So this is the starting point and this is the ending point, and these 2 points are different. So if the end points are different, then it is said to be open curve. Now if I draw the figure like this, suppose from here I have started drawing and continuously I am drawing and here I have stopped, means starting point and finishing point is same. So those curve is known as closed curve. Okay, now coming to figure number A, see it is started from this point and here it ends. So the ending points are different. So it's a open curve. Okay, now coming to next figure. Now coming to B part. Now see in this figure, if I consider the starting point say here and suppose I started drawing like this and this way I have ended at this point only, means the starting point and ending point is same, then it is known as closed figure. Okay, now coming to next part. See here, suppose this is the starting point and this is the ending point. So these 2 points, these 2 end points are different here. So it's a open curve. Okay, suppose if I have started drawing from here and without lifting my pen I am drawing like this and this is my finishing point. Okay, so that means from wherever I have started, there only I have ended, right? So this is a closed figure. Now coming to last figure. Okay, now let's check whether it is open or closed figure. So if I consider this as a starting point, now suppose without lifting my pen I am drawing this figure continuously and here only I have ended. That means starting point and ending point is same. So this is a closed figure, closed curve. Okay, so that means which one is open curve and which one is closed curve? In open curve we can see that starting point and ending point is different. That means end points are different in an open curve. And what is closed curve? In which starting point and finishing point is same. Like in this figure, starting point and finishing point is same, so it's a closed figure. Okay, now coming to next question. Now question number 2 says draw a rough diagram to illustrate the following: open curve and closed curve. So open curve means, as I said, starting point and ending point is different. Like this is the open curve in which this is the starting point and this is the end point. So here these 2 end points are different. So this can be a open curve. Okay, this can be an open curve. Then if I draw the figure like this, then this also can be an open curve. Okay, now closed figure is one in which starting point and ending point is same. Like if I draw the figure like this, then this is a closed figure in which this is the starting point and this is only the finishing point. Okay, now if I draw the figure like this is also closed curve. Okay, that means in an open curve, starting point and ending point is different, but in a closed curve, starting point and ending point is same. Okay. Now, question number 3 says, draw any polygon and shade its interior. Polygon means a two-dimensional figure formed using line segment. So, this is a polygon. This is a three-sided polygon. Now, shade its interior means the portion inner part of something. So, this is the interior portion. So, which three-sided polygon it is? It's a triangle. So, to be a polygon, figure has to be a closed figure and made up of line segment. Okay. So if I draw one more polygon, four-sided polygon, then it looks like this. This is a four-sided polygon and you have to shade its interior. Interior means a part, inner part of something. Okay. So this is which four-sided polygon it is? It's a rectangle. Okay. So this was all about question number 3. Thank you, students.